Hello everyone, this is my first video which is on how to become a pro in Marvel Contest of Champions. So let's start. Well, there are two main things, parry and dexterity. So you have to master this over here in the provinces lab, which will cost you around 10 or 15 units, and dexterity will cost you around 280 units, but it's worth the try. So let me tell you what parry and dexterity is. So mainly, parry is to block the opponent's attack when he is attacking just at the same time. Okay, so let's see how this works. Oh, I just parried him and now I'm attacking. Okay, another try to parry. He parried me. Then this was dexterity, going back at the time he is going to attack, so you don't get any damage. This was a parry. You can also parry a special attack. He just parried my SP2 attack and I think I'll lose. Well, this was a tough one. Okay, so next comes counter attack. You have to defend his attack or SP and then attack your SP or normal attack. Well, you can also use charges in this thing. You can defend his charge and then attack. So this was like a failure, but I'll show you one more example. His SP1 is ready, so we'll be seeing. So he did his SP1, I countered and then attacked him. And now if you want to be a real pro, then you need to have good combos. Combos mean the normal attack like tap, and you need tap and swipe. You can also add charges, but charge means heavy attack, swipe means medium, and tap means light. So you can have combos like swipe, tap, 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 swipe. That is the most I use, but you need to have good combos to become a pro. Use parry and dexterity, counter attacks, and always defend while the opponent is using SPs. That is the main thing you need to become an MCOC pro. Also, I recommend doing your SPs at the end of the combos. If you have the right timing, the opponent will not be able to block it. But well, it needs a lot of practice to use parry and dexterity. So you need to practice a lot. So I will end the video here, and if you want any champion reviews, write it in the comments. And if you want to know how to get items or catalysts or ISO it or gold battle chips or glory, please write it in the comments also. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like and ring the bell so that you can see my videos first.